What up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new and you're just joining us, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to get rid of acne. It also would help you to get rid of whiteheads and blackheads. Alright, so if you want to know what my treatment is going to be, please do continue watching, and also thumbs up this video if you are new. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also check out some natural beauty ingredients on my website. Alright, the link is at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Also check out my vlog. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're gonna be loving that channel too. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this video. The first ingredient, ginger powder. Since ginger contains about 40 antioxidant property, it prevents free radicals that damages the skin. It also evens out the skin tone and improves elasticity. It helps to rapidly remove acne and pigmentation, and it's perfect for glowing up the skin, shrink large pores, and even out the skin. We're gonna be needing a clean bowl, and we're gonna be taking half tablespoon of ginger powder. Now you can use your fresh ginger if you have that. And the next ingredient, we're going to be needing 100% gel aloe vera. Aloe vera contains 2 hormones, and one of them is ozons. This hormone provides wound healing and inflammatory property. This helps to reduce skin inflammation. It also helps to heal chronic skin problems such as acne, eczema, pigmentation, discoloration. It's perfect for whiteheads and blackheads. It also contains a lightening agent that helps to lighten up the skin. For the aloe vera, we're going to be scooping in half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now if you have the aloe vera plant, you can still use that. The next ingredient, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is suitable for all skin types. It contains an astringent property. It helps to fight acne overnight. It removes dark spots and age spots, pigmentation, and it also brightens the appearances of the skin, glow the skin both in and out. We're going to be needing half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, since we're going to be needing another liquid ingredient. And the last ingredient, lemon. Lemon is almighty in treating acne because of the antibacterial property. It treats whiteheads, remove blackheads, and it also lightens up the skin. It helps to suck out excessive oil from the skin, leaving your skin rejuvenated. It balances the pH level of the skin and leave your skin naturally glowing. I'm going to be cutting the lemon, then I'm going to be squeezing in just half teaspoon of lemon juice into the treatment. Now I would have to stir and mix all the ingredients together. And this is perfect. So this is how my sister's face has been. You can see the acne around here is drying off. Okay, so I've been using this treatment on her face for the past 3 days, and it has been really good. It's been drying the acne off, and look at the side, it's dried and it's gone. Alright, the whiteheads on the nose is gone. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that for like 1 week. Okay, so here is the treatment that I've been using, which I showed you how to make. Now you can apply this treatment using your hand, or you can apply it using a brush. So what you do is that you just apply this treatment just on the places where you have the pimples. Alright, now this can be hot, a little bit hot, alright, but yeah, that is how it works. Okay, so you apply this treatment gently onto those parts. Now if you have a sensitive skin, you have to, you have to watch out time, okay, on when to apply, on when to wash the treatment off. You don't leave it on your face for too long. Alright, so those are the only places in which she is having acne, and I've been treating it. Okay, so after applying this generously onto your face, it's gonna hot. Okay, it's gonna be very hot. Alright, you can see she's closing her eye because of the little hotness. You can leave this for just 2 minutes and then you go wash this off. You don't leave it for too long. Alright, and do this every evening or every morning, and your pimples will be gone, like for real. She's gonna go wash this and I will be right back. Yeah guys, so that's just a very basic, simple and effective way to get rid of acne. And note, ginger powder, is hot on the skin, but it does a lot of difference. It would remove all the stuff on your skin and you are gonna be happy you did. Alright, so if you do find this video interesting, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions to ask me, please endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also purchase some natural beauty ingredients on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and smooth. Bye guys.